Hey everybody, Chem Class Rules here, and today we'll be explaining the nitric acid copper fountain. Don't do this one at home. The reaction that's of interest to us here is between copper and nitric acid. Those will react to form copper-2 nitrate and various nitrogen oxides. It's worth noting that for clarity, the reaction's been left unbalanced. The hydrogen's been omitted from the product side, and we use the generic nitrogen oxides instead of noting all the species generated. To begin, we've mostly filled a vacuum flask with water and made ready our copper wire, glass tube, and stopper setup. So into our round bottom flask goes around 15 milliliters of concentrated nitric acid. Next, we will very gently stopper the flask with the setup that was mentioned earlier. This run took a little doing because a small wire from the ball of copper kept getting in the way. Now we'll stopper our flask, making sure to get a good snug fit between the stopper and the flask. In a moment, we'll invert the flask and the reaction between the acid and the copper starts. That forms copper nitrate and mostly nitrogen dioxide gas. Now, nitrogen dioxide is extremely soluble in water, so once the gas stops being generated, it immediately begins being dissolved into the water at the bottom of the tube. That absorption lowers the pressure in the top flask, which causes the water to be pushed up the tube by atmospheric pressure. We like this one because it's a great demo for both solubility and pressure. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, you're a rock star. Go have a bowl of ice cream or something, you deserve it.